Namaste everyone. Today we are here for our another recipe, that is Lauki Bottlegourd Paratha recipe and the Bottlegourd Kheer recipe. So wash Lauki and grate it, and I am grated Lauki. I am separating the Lauki here for Kheer also. So I kept it separately because we are making two recipes here, that is Kheer and Paratha. And so now let's see paratha recipe. Add cumin seeds, added ginger, garlic and green chili paste, and then asafoetida. And now I am adding sesame seed. Half bowl I have added sesame seed here, and then salt. Add wheat flour now. Friends, knead a stiff dough by adding small portion of wheat flour step by step. And here we are not using water to knead a dough. Keep adding wheat flour till our dough should be tight and stiff. So again I need 1 cup of wheat flour here. So firstly I have added 1 cup and this is second one. Means 2 cup we have added wheat flour to knead a dough. So we need to add small portion of wheat flour step by step only. Don't put directly wheat flour here. We need to add small portion of wheat flour step by step only, guys. Now we are ready to knead a dough. See how mixing I am. It should be stiff dough. We need stiff or tight dough. Again I have kneaded some wheat flour here, that is half tablespoon I have added in this dough and knead a dough. This is the tight dough we have made it, and as soon as we knead a dough we will roll this paratha. We'll make square paratha, and for square paratha roll out this paratha in this 5 to 6 inch diameter. Fold and give sheet square shape. Heat the pan and then put little oil over the pan and put the parathas on pan to roast it. We need to keep the flame medium. And so guys, please subscribe, like and share to my channel if you like my videos, guys. Please roast it well, guys. Flip and roast the parathas till golden spots appear on the paratha. And so here we need little bit of ghee again to roast it well, guys. Just spread ghee, flip and roast it well, guys. Roll the parathas with your desired shape, and see here how the paratha is roasted into a best golden brown color. You can see here. And so here I will add again ghee, flip it and keep aside. And see how the all parathas have done. We are done with this paratha. We will see next recipe, that is Kheer recipe. Now heat the pan, add grated lauki and then add 1 tablespoon of ghee, and here I have added 1 cup of milk. Stir well, it becomes soft and smushy, and then you have to add milk. Now I have added sugar. As per your taste you can add sugar, and then cardamom powder, and I will add dry fruits powder. Cook it till the milk reduces to the half, or else cook till 15 minutes. And after minutes this kheer is all cooked now, and then I will switch off the flame. Here the kheer is ready. Serve hot or warm. This kheer is very beneficial for your kids, and so please try this recipe. Thank you.